it is a beautiful product. I think that because it's so simple and it's not your standard aluminium box that you see, and the wood finish is real wood. It's not something that's been printed on.
And the lack of traditional fixings like screws, etc., is super impressive.
Today we are introducing our Kvisten, or the tree branch, which is our latest sustainability product made of 77% recyclable material. Our quality is default for customers. We study the quality of light with every light we produce. And it's wood with the touch of the wood and the smell of the wood back to the Scandinavian origin in the forests.
Lights that are architectural in nature, they don't always look good. In this case, you can see it, that it's a beautiful looking light. And it is a sustainable piece of design, which can be used without us thinking, yeah, we're using it because we must. The joints, the simplicity, the brass detailing, I think all of that kind of adds to the use of the pine and the birch. I think it elevates the light fitting itself.
The optical control and distribution of light is critical with any light fixture, but the nature of this product, how it's achieved it through the materials, the natural elements, the recycled TV elements, etc., is quite impressive. And the production and the efficiency of the light source and how it's actually distributed within the space, that's obviously a massive technical advantage. It could be considered for education. Discussion areas, meeting rooms, pods, because of the up-down nature and optical distribution of the light fixture. Anything that follows on from the sustainability story as a holistic space, striving for more sustainable solutions, it could be very high value.
I think definitely workplace, commercial spaces, even F&B, cafes where you have co-working spaces where people are coming together to work. I think the sustainability aspect of the product itself is quite a big win. And the second is its compatibility with the different systems, and that the fact that all of it is inbuilt is quite interesting from an engineering point of view.
Following on from that, arrangement, flexibility, transferring cables through the system would be advantageous. Any pricing calculation should consider the ROI and the whole total solution with integrated control systems and so on. Naturally, there's a lot of savings outside the lighting product itself. So when you talk about the total solution, where the product can potentially cover more area and achieve required light levels with less product, when you consider all that together, you've actually got a very cost-effective option.
The effort that has gone into creating the product warranted to be in a space where the client appreciates the pricing. As designers, very often we end up specifying products that the client just shelves. So we want to focus on clients who appreciate its sustainability story.
Lighting always gets a bad name when it comes to sustainability. To encourage more of this fully sustainable product offering is brilliant. It's almost going full circle. So we've gone from physical hand craftsmanship through to machined and engineered aluminium products, etc. And now we're going back to an extent, a blend between the two, but linking with the sustainable stories.
Definitely. Would love to see more products coming out of this storyline.